If WhatsApp is not showing incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, let me show you what you can do to try to fix this issue. So first of all, we're gonna find WhatsApp app on our phone. You want to press and hold your finger on the app, and then we're gonna go to this eye icon. We want to tap on eye icon that we have in here, so immediately open app info. We're gonna go to notifications, and of course you want to make sure that notifications are enabled for the app. In here, also check if lock screen notifications are enabled. They might be necessary to use them. And besides that, you can go to configure in WhatsApp in order to check some additional notification settings inside the app, which of course you want to check as well to make sure that everything is set up properly. Besides that, we're gonna go to permissions, and in here we need to fix our permissions in case they are not set up. So this includes the call logs permission. We want to let the app use it. We can of course also grant the access for the camera. There's also contacts and accounts. I can also use the microphone, of course. Nearby devices, phone, messaging or SMS. And we can also grant these two permissions as well, like the music and audio and photos and videos. Location is pretty much optional most of the time. Now, if you already have these permissions set up for the phone, for the WhatsApp app, then in this case we can proceed further. Another thing that we can do is simply uninstall the app and then install it again. This can be quite helpful in some cases because you have a fresh, clean app without any significant changes done. So you can give it a try. You can also go to the storage and you can clear data. Of course, if you do decide to clear data, then you will pretty much lose access to your, well, not lose access, but you will be locked out of your account. So you might need to sign into your account that you use on the app. And before you actually do that, you can also perform a backup inside the WhatsApp Messenger app in order to not lose your conversations, for example. Now, besides these options inside of the WhatsApp app, we can also go to settings on our phone. In here, we're gonna proceed to notifications, and then you're gonna go to the lock screen, and you want to make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. And that is pretty much everything that we can do. Well, actually, there's one more thing. You can just simply restart your phone. That is going to work as well. So you can open the power menu and go to restart over here to just reboot your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.